Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I stop yarn tangles in graphan making, well, my personal way. There's many different ways to do this and many different contraptions you can buy to do this. I prefer to just use a table. So here's how I do it. When I've got to the end of my run, I just pick it up and over the rest of them so that that thread is no longer in the way of the next ones. Again, once I've finished that run, up and over and next to the previous one so it's in the right order, and to add in the next colour, again it gets put in order, so behind the one that's previously been used. And the same again with the next one that's getting added in. Your last colour change should be fine just to pick up and carry on. When starting your next row, depending on whether you go under the threads or over the threads, depends on whether you turn clockwise or anti-clockwise, so over or under. Because I turn anti-clockwise, so under, my threads will go over the top of each other. But you could figure out whether you're an over or an under just by looking at the threads, because if you pass over and it's still tangled, then you'll need to go under the other threads. So finish with that, and now over the threads and push the other ones along like a conveyor belt. Again over the others but in front of the previous one so that it's still in order. So we're going to go up over and keep it in line. Up over and keeping it in line. You could do this with as many colour changes as you wanted. It depends really how many you needed and how big your table is. when I got too many colour changes, I ended up using my bed as my table, but you can use whatever you fancy. I'm just going to carry on with this now without talking, so you can see it a couple more times, and I hope you enjoyed the video.